Hey, in this video I will explain to you how you can use our SourceGeek node in your n8n workflow, and I will show you how you can get credentials and connect it all in n8n. I'm Niels Berkhout. I'm the co-founder and CEO of SourceGeek, and I'm going to tell you the news that I'm more than happy to announce that right now we have an integration with n8n. In this video, I want to explain you a little bit about what n8n is and what you can do with our SourceGeek node. And I will show you a bit of a tutorial how you can get started. So what is n8n? Well, n8n is a flexible AI workflow automation platform for tech teams. What means that basically you can set up your own workflows, you can set up your own tooling and let it talk to the workflow, talk to AI agents. And make a very flexible solution for your own work. Right now within SourceGeek we also created a node so you can basically use all features of SourceGeek without using our platform. And in this video I'll just show you how you can set it up and get it working. I will follow the next steps and you can just do the same as what I do. So step one is generating a key from our platform, which you can use in your n8n credentials. That's super easy to do. You go to our website, sourcegeek.com, you click on login, you create an account, and you basically have a 7-day free trial to use the platform and use all its features. Once you are inside, you go on the left side to settings, you go to integrations, you end up in this page, and from here you're going to generate a key saying you want to do an n8n configuration, click generate key, and you have this key which you can use in your n8n credentials. So next up is that inside your n8n panel dashboard, you're going to start a new workflow and you're going to install this SourceGeek node. This is my empty workflow within n8n. I'm going to create a new one, and once that's done I'm going to click on this little plus. I'm going to search for SourceGeek and I have it already installed, but if it's new for you, you have to install it once. From here on you basically can add it to your empty workflow. Select the credentials. You have to do that one time, select new credentials, fill in the API key you retrieved from our platform, hit save. And once it's tested well, close this and basically start working on your complete workflow. Now in this last clip I will show you a bit of testing how it works. So in a very simple way, you have here your workflow, you double click on our node, you have your credentials, you want to retrieve data from someone's LinkedIn profile. Just in order to test it, you put someone's LinkedIn profile in it, and if you see right now, our node basically comes back with a complete description of someone's profile, all the information which is available there. And on top of that, we also do a lot of extra analysis, like what are someone's skills, but also things like disk profile of a person. So we basically retrieve all LinkedIn profile, but we also enrich this with a lot of data. And this way you can test it well. So all looks good right now. This is basically like a very basic workflow, but in the coming videos I will show a bit more examples what you can do with it. But feel free to try it out and let us know if you have any feedback.